Hello everyone, I am Alexis and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a tutorial on my Flexi rod sets, and I'm going to start off with saying that I did wash and blow dry my hair, and this is the shampoo and conditioner that I use. It's by xoxo and it's the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco, and it's really good for my hair and it keeps it moisturized and stuff. So I'm going to start telling you about some products that I use. Now for this I only use water and a spray bottle. I got this one from Target, but if you find one with a smaller top, that'll be helpful because it sprays like so far. It sprays so far. And I use my Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, and I use my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. These are just some products I put in my hair to make sure that my hair stays moisturized and healthy. And here are some of the Flexi rods that I use. These are Flexi rods, come in different sizes and they're all give you different type of curls. Like the tightness is different. Now, this is what I use, and this is the skinniest one, so this is going to give you the tightest curl. And I'm not going to use all different sizes, but I am going to use probably 3 different sizes. But this is going to give you a really tight curl, and this is going to give you like a medium type, and then it's this one, and then this one. This gives you like large curls, and this is like for like large volume curls. And I use this only for like this size only for like my waves. If I use it for my wigs, like if my wigs I want to wear wave curls, this is the size that I use. So today I'm doing my Flexi rod routine with my bang. It has a bang, and I'll show a picture in the corner. And yeah, so I'm going to use different sizes. When you do the bottom ones, I use bigger ones so my hair won't look so much shorter. My hair is long, it's longer than this, but of course it's just blow dried and stuff. But you want to use the largest ones, like the medium ones at the bottom, and then when you work your way up to the top, you want to get shorter because you want it to affect that it's like you have a bang, like your hair's cut for a bang, but my hair's not cut for a bang. So yeah. So let's get started. I my hair usually into about, I can do 5 sections now because I'm going to do my bang. You can start by separating the front and the back first. So you can part it in half so that you just have the top of your hair and then you have the back of your hair. I'm going to put the front, I'm going to comb it first, the front into 3 sections. So you're going to have the side curls, your side curls, and then this middle part is for your bang. So I'm going to put this in a ponytail holder. Well, and then I can just put this in a ponytail. I just want to keep this separated. But right now I'm going to keep this in a ponytail. I'm going to put these 2 in the back. Then I'm going to start off by taking a little section of the hair I have for my first Flexi rod. Then I'm going to take the rest of the hair. Then you're just going to comb it. Then you're going to spray. You're just going to damp it. Then I'm going to put my Cantu leave-in conditioner in my Shea Moisture Curling Smoothie. I'm going to put in the leave-in conditioner on first. And I don't use that much. This is just how much I use. I'm just going to rub it in. Curling smoothie. And rub that in. Then I'm going to take a Flexi rod. Now these are the medium ones that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to take it. Like I said, by the way that you use the Flexi rod, it creates different curls. So if you want a spiral curl, you can do this look with a spiral curl too. You just take it from the bottom and you literally just rolling it up. You're going to roll it up and then you're going to close it. And that's going to create a spiral curl. But I don't want spiral curls. I like mine with like wand looking type curls. So use the middle, and then I'm going to just twist the hair around. You're just literally just twisting the hair around, turning the hair around the flexi rod. And when you get to the end, you're going to hold that piece and you're going to close it up. You shouldn't need anything for these flexi rods. Your hair, and then boom, there you go. That is one. Then you're going to complete the section. You're going to do the same thing. Show you another one. I'm just getting off a section of the hair. And boom. Clamp. And this usually, when you get a hang of it, you're going to do it so quick. Like, I get this done within like 15 minutes, my whole head. Then you're going to damp. You'll see how far this spray is spraying on my background. But yeah. And then you're leaving conditioner. And curling smoothie. And comb it through. We're going to use another one. I'm going to try to find the exact size of these. So you guys, when you go to the store and buy the flexi rods, you can look for the inch. But yeah, so you're just going to twist it around, and then close it. And for each section, I use about, well, for the back section, this is going to be about 2 more. So I'll use about 4 for this side, and I'm going to use about 4 for the other side, so it's 8 in the back. Then boom, gonna comb it through, damp it, leave-in conditioner, curling smoothie, then comb it through. Start at the root and comb it through. Use another flexi rod, and you're literally just doing the same thing. Put it all the way, put the rod at your root. And then you're going to just keep turning, Boom. Now you got one section done. And that's how it looks. You see? Then we're going to do this section. Okay, so now we're in the front. So we can just take the ponytail holder out. And you're going to separate it again. It should already be separated for you. And then put this side of the ponytail. So for the front, we're going to use 3. So in how I did that, I just pre-section. So 1, 2, 3. That's how I know how many I'm going to use on each side. Actually, I'm going to do 2 green and 1 pink. Because as you get closer to the top, like I said, you want to put your smaller flexi rods at the top because the bang is going to be right there. So you're going to section it off. Just going to spray it. We'll damp it a little bit. You're leaving conditioner. And we're curling smoothie. You're going to comb it through. Then I'm going to use one of my green flexi rods. And like I said, put it right at the root. Take it and twist it around. Just keep twisting it till you get to the bottom. You see how I'm bringing the last piece of hair right there. Then I'm going to take the flexi rod and just close it in. And you're going to do the same with the top when you're done. You're just going to close it in. Boom. Take it, the flexi rod, bring it close. Make sure you have your flexi rod standing straight up when you twist it. Gonna go to the other side. see how long my front is? This is we about to make a bang, believe it or not. So it's gonna come through. Now for this, since you want a bang doesn't go side by side. A bang goes right down the middle, okay? So you're gonna do like this. You're gonna part it like this, get your sections. Now for this, I'm probably gonna do, let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4 sections. Now what I'm gonna do is separate the sections. I'm gonna have this section. It's the top. You're gonna separate the top from the bottom because the top is going to use the green flexi rods and the bottom is going to use the pink flexi rods because you want your bang to be tight because all this is going to shrivel up. So you're going to use your pink. Don't use the green because I don't know if it might hold like while you take the flexi rods down, but yeah, during the day it might fall flat. Yep, I'm just gonna put the same products on. And the sections don't have to be perfect, obviously. Then take the pink. You want to make sure it's in the middle too. Put it right in the middle and then twist it. Put the green ones in like a high point of your head. When you put the green ones in, it's going to fall right with the bang. Boom. And then some conditioner like on your edges too. I just always pull them out a little bit of the flexi rods so there won't be so much tension on them. And put some conditioner. Okay. So there you go. This is my bonnet I use for my flexi rod sets because it's big. Okay, big. I got this from Walmart too. And I'll be back in the morning. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you just to show you how I take out my flexi rods. For the ones in the back, open it up, just untwist it in the same direction you did it. And that's how I do for the rest of my hair. So unclamp it and twist it. And I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. And now what I'm going to do is just separate the clothes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share.